To draw the roof, we first need to copy the roof elements from the Trimoterm SNV start file. Next, paste them to project file. Since this element is flipped 180 degrees, we need to return to the start file and repeat this step. Copy the other SNV panel from the project browser. Paste to project and, if you want, delete elements from the view. To start drawing, select Roof by Extrusion option. Next, pick a roof plane. Draw the roof profile. From the Properties panel, select the SNV layout. Now adjust the roof level offset. To adjust the panel thickness, select all the roof panels and in the Properties window under T, Thickness, type in the value. Using Curtain Grid tool, apply grid to the panels. Set the cutback by first selecting all panels on Grid 2 and then setting the value in the Properties panel. Repeat as needed. Thank you for watching. You are welcome to check the rest of the series.